Hey Angel, it's Kim Salgado, your professor. I just wanted to go ahead and show you how to put your paragraph in Word and kind of just give you an idea of how you can fix it if you put it in Word first. As you see here, I have taken your first paragraph and I've copied it and pasted it into Word. I'm going to pull this up so you can see. See, I'm in Word. I just opened it up to a blank document and just copied and pasted it straight from your discussion board into here. And I do this all the time because I want you to be able to use Word to help you correct your work. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this word here, everyone, and I'm going to put my cursor on it and I'm going to right click. See how it shows you the word that it should be? So I'm going to go ahead and click that and fix it, and then it's now red. The reason it's red is because there's no space here after the period, but I'm going to go ahead and right click on it again, and as you see, it gives you a little period and then a space and then the I here. So I clicked on it again and fixed it. So then I'm going to go down here. I'm going to read it out loud though. You should always read your work out loud because it helps you to correct it as you go as well. Good evening, everyone. I will be the first to say time management has not been one of my stronger suites. It should be suits, I believe. And so I'm going to take the E out of this. Stronger suits. I think that's better. However, see, I paused there, so let's put a comma there. I will be the first to say time management has not been one of my stronger suits. However, let's put one here too. However, I'm learning to utilize the skills so that I can be more efficiency or more efficient. Let me fix this too. So I can be more efficient in my work as well as my job. I believe time management is very important for online students because most have a busy life or schedule to adhere to. Now this is just a big run-on sentence here. So let's break this one down. I believe time management is very important for online students because let's take out of, because most have a busy life. I think that's what you meant to say. Because most have a busy life, and let's put a comma, or schedule. Schedule is misspelled here. So again, let's put our cursor on it, right click, and I don't see schedule. So schedule. There you go. And I don't think it needs to be capitalized. So most have a busy life or schedule to adhere to. Let's put a period here. Which can slow our learning process or detour us away from accomplishments because most of us are overwhelmed with everyday simple tasks, kids, house chores, activities, and jobs. This is a really big run-on, so let's stop here. And let's take out so. Let's capitalize we. We tend to get frustrated with all of these things until we have no time to continue our education, then eventually it gets put on the back burner. Okay, this is again a big long run-on sentence. We tend to get frustrated with all of these things until we have no time to continue our education. Let's put a period here and go to, then eventually it gets put on the back burner until we have no desire to get back into school. I like the idea that I can take online classes or classes. I'm thinking it's classes. I like the idea that I can take online classes in between me working and caring for my kids. Okay? See how I did that? And I did it in Word. It kind of helped me by reading it out loud and also correcting as I go. I'm going to go ahead and just look at this. Eventually it is. Yep, I agree. See, you say then eventually it gets. It should be then eventually it is. So I'm going to click on is. Let's see. That's passive. I'm just going to ignore that. Then eventually it is put on the back burner. So let's see what this says here. Let's just ignore this and I'll read this. I believe time management is very important for online students because most have a busy life or schedule to adhere to. Let's just take out this last part. We don't want to end the sentence with a prepositional phrase. So let me go over here.
Good night, Mom.
Good night. There. I just wanted to show you how to do this to help you out. Thanks so much.